Unlike a car factory, major aircraft sections arrive from specialized manufacturing plants before being assembled into a complete airplane.
Each aircraft section is carefully inspected before it becomes part of the final assembly process.
Even the smallest dimensional variation is identified long before final assembly begins.
Once approved, each component is moved into position using powerful automated transport systems designed for extraordinary precision. Meanwhile, advanced machining centers manufacture thousands of precision parts used throughout the aircraft. Every finished part undergoes another inspection before entering the production line. Throughout the factory, digital manufacturing systems coordinate thousands of components with remarkable accuracy. Now the first major aircraft sections arrive at the assembly station, where the Airbus A320 finally begins to take shape. After months of preparation across multiple factories, the first stage of final assembly is officially underway.
The alignment on Section 3 is holding steady. Good, proceed with the fastening sequence.
Thousands of aerospace-grade fasteners permanently connect the fuselage, creating the backbone of the future aircraft. Every connection is inspected using advanced laser measurement systems before assembly continues. Attention now shifts to one of the aircraft's most recognizable features, the wings, continue directly as two components. With extraordinary precision, each wing is guided into position and secured to the center wing box. Robotic. Once the wings are installed, the aircraft immediately begins to resemble a finished Airbus A320. Next, the vertical tail and horizontal stabilizers are carefully attached to complete the aircraft's aerodynamic structure. Inside the fuselage, engineers begin installing the structural supports that will carry passengers, cargo, and onboard systems. Before moving to the next production stage, the completed airframe undergoes another comprehensive inspection. With the primary structure complete, the Airbus A320 is ready to receive the systems that will bring the aircraft to life.
With the airframe complete, the Airbus A320 enters one of the most advanced stages of production, where
thousands of electrical cables are routed through the aircraft, connecting every major system from the cockpit to the tail. Each connection is carefully inspected to ensure flawless communication between every onboard system. Next, hydraulic lines and flight control systems are installed to power the aircraft's moving surfaces. The environmental control system is assembled, allowing future passengers to travel in a comfortable and pressurized cabin. Attention now shifts to the cockpit, where the aircraft's flight deck is carefully assembled. The fully assembled Airbus...
Attention now shifts to the cockpit, where the aircraft's flight deck is carefully assembled. The fully assembled Airbus A320 cockpit.
Once installed, every onboard computer undergoes extensive automated diagnostic testing. With its electrical, hydraulic, and flight systems successfully integrated, the Airbus A320 is ready for engine installation and cabin completion.
With the aircraft's core systems installed, attention now turns to the powerful engines that will carry millions of passengers around the world.
Each turbofan engine is carefully aligned with the wing pylon before being permanently secured. Once mounted, engineers connect fuel, hydraulic, electrical, and digital control systems that allow the engines to operate safely and efficiently. Next, the landing gear is installed, providing the strength needed for thousands of takeoffs and landings. With the aircraft now standing on its own landing gear, the focus shifts inside the passenger cabin. Rows of passenger seats are carefully installed, transforming the empty fuselage into a modern commercial airliner.
Overhead storage bins, lighting systems, and passenger service units complete the cabin's familiar appearance.
The aircraft's galley and lavatories are added, providing the essential facilities required for airline service.
Every cabin system is carefully inspected to ensure passengers will experience the highest standards of comfort and safety.
With assembly complete, the Airbus A320 enters one of the final stages of production, where its exterior is carefully prepared before.
The aircraft's surface is cleaned, smoothed, and carefully inspected to create the perfect foundation for painting. A protective primer is evenly applied across the aircraft, helping preserve the airframe for years of airline service. Layer by layer, the aircraft receives its final exterior finish with remarkable precision and consistency.
After painting, the aircraft undergoes another detailed inspection before its first engine run.
Months of engineering, precision manufacturing, and testing have led to this moment. The Airbus A320 is now ready for its first flight.
The engines produce full takeoff power, as the aircraft accelerates smoothly down the runway.
With perfect balance and control, the aircraft lifts gracefully into the sky for its first evaluation flight.
During the flight, engineers monitor hundreds of performance parameters transmitted from the aircraft in real time. Every maneuver helps confirm that the aircraft performs exactly as expected before entering airline service. After completing its planned flight profile, the aircraft turns back toward the airport for landing. The approach is stabilized, and the landing gear extends as the aircraft prepares for touchdown.
A smooth landing marks another successful milestone in the aircraft's journey from factory floor to the skies.
Back at the factory, engineers complete one final inspection before preparing the aircraft for customer delivery.